I've been thinking this through a lot. There's a lot of, negativity out there within this industry. I'm trying to figure out why, and it just dawned on me. There's really no level of standard here in our industry, and what I mean by that is if you look at any other trades that are on the job site that come before you and after you, there's a level, there's a standard level. Everything needs to be inspected. So a so-called professional comes in and inspects every stage of the process. If you're a plumber, they're inspecting the rough-in, the finishing, the plumbing. The same thing with the electrical, same thing with the framers, same thing with the foundation, the masonries. You have to get every phase of the project inspected to make sure that it's done correctly, which what that does is it sets a higher standard. So at least everybody is doing it somewhat the same, right? We're ultimately trying to achieve the same thing. For whatever reason, I don't know why, we don't have that level of standard in the drywall industry or even in the painting industry. Not that I know of. Maybe it's out there. And I'm sure if it's out there, somebody's gonna tell me, "You're a freaking moron. We already have that out there." I don't know of it, okay? So what that means is that you have to become that standard in your home as a homeowner. You have to understand. Don't just trust somebody who went out and spent $100 on a set of hand tools and says they're a professional, and now they come into their house and their standards is a lot lower than your standards. Now you have the knowledge, now you understand the process to make sure that that standard is a little bit higher, okay? And you know what? The feedback from the homeowners that I've gotten, they would rather attempt it for the first time and fail in their own house, and then attempt it the second time and fail and eventually learn, that pay someone to come into their home who says they're a professional and they do a subpar job. That's what I mean by setting the standard, the level of standard. My standard may not be your standard, vice versa. And here, all over the place like that. But set yourself up for a standard that is adequate for yourself in your own home. Understand the process. Don't just take someone's word for it. Get all the information that you can, compile it into your brain, stand guard at the doorway of your brain, and make sure that it comes and makes some sort of sense and do what works for you. That's why I'm here. So, with that being said, we're going to move forward with the third coat, all right?